Hello! So, ito po yung ating Super Owner Advanced PK Competition. So, kung gusto niyo pong maging Super Owner, ito po yung kailangan natin munang gawin. Mag-join sa Super Owner Advanced PK Competition. So, first, ano nga ba yung mga Super Owner? Sila yung mga Super Owners na nagpa-party live. So, this is in a party live setup. PL po. Okay, so, party live setup. Ayan. And, ang benefits po kasi kapag kayo ay super owner is nagkakaroon kayo ng authority to appoint kung sino yung gusto nyong member nyo na maging star host. Ayan. And, also, kung makapasok tayo sa top 12 ng rankings ng super owner is yung main account or the main host will become superstar host. Pag superstar host po kasi kayo, pag nagpapa-oras kayo ng 3 hours a day, $8 a day po ang nakuha kapag superstar host ka. Aside from that, pwede po kayong mag-appoint ng members nyo na maging star host. So, wag pa kayong mag-alala sa rankings nun dahil hanggang 30 naman po ang rankings ng ating super owners. Okay, so, going back, ito pong Super Owner Advanced Peak Competition, kailangan nyo po munang sumali dito bago po kayo maging Super Owner. Okay, for this, ang event time natin is from February 16, which is mamaya, to February 20, Monday to Friday. Okay. Now, ang time slot po natin is 1 hour. So, nagpa-schedule na po kayo, right? Nagpa-schedule na po kayo for this time. And ang duration for this is 1 hour lamang. So, yung 1 hour po ninyo na naka-party live po kayo, yung 1 hour po na yan, lahat ng income na dinadrop or lahat ng gifts na dinadrop po sa PL ninyo will be counted. However, meron po kasi tayong designated gifts which I will discuss later. So, for now, ayan, for our PK slots, ito po yon Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Isa lang po ang maging opponent po ninyo. Ayan, so, kung ano man ang napili nyong time slot, it's here. Okay, and then, for registration, isang main host ang mag-open ng PL plus 5 members. So, para sa contact info, ito po ako. Ayan. Okay. Then, for our PK rules, so again, ito po is in a party live setup. Not solo na magpi-PK kayo, mag-i-invite, no. Naka-PL po kayo, ang opponent nyo naka-PL din. Okay. Now, meron tayong tinatawag na designated event gift. So, ito po siyang tatlo. So, ang mga regular lucky gifts kasi is 4%. Instead, ito po kasi is in 10%. Ayan. So, Love Magic Book, Pistol Rose, Golden Shell. Ayan. Next is rewards. So, for our rewards, of course, kung ang revenue or income ninyo sa inyong PL is more than $350 or that's 3.5 million during that time, kayo po ay magiging Super Owner Advance. So, pag Super Owner Advance na po tayo, meron tayong 7 days star host tag and you can appoint up to 5 members na maging star host din. Ayan. The difference is, kayo po as star host, main host, yung inyong tasking ay hindi sa solo live, kundi party live. Para naman po sa kanila, ang tasking nila sa star host nila is tumambay sa PL nyo. Okay, so, just a reminder na ang ang star host tag na ang requirement is tumambay sa PL is different from the duration live task. So, for the duration live task, they need to go live pa rin. Okay, and we have exclusive badge, frame, and vehicle. And of course, you will be featured on the top list of the homepage ng Nikki Live. Okay. So, question is that lahat, kahit ba hindi member, makakount pa rin ang data sa loob ng PL? Yes. So, lahat po dito, lahat po ng nasa PL po ninyo, kung sino man ang magdadrop dyan, lahat ng data sa loob po ng PL is counted. So again, meron tayong designated gifts. But at the same time, meron din po tayong revenue. Yan. So, important notes lang, PK stream content must include a clear theme. So, kung ano po ba yung theme nyo? Kantahan po ba kayo? May interaction, podcast, ganyan. Any fraudulent behavior will result in immediate disqualification. Revenue data is subject to the platform back-end records. Ibig sabihin po na si system po nagde-determine ito. Event results will be announced within 5 working days. So, possibly, next week po ito. Okay? So, that's it for the Super Owner Advanced PK.